Hey, Jaleesa. Nice job here. So, we have your main page, and there's your image viewer. They are a little blurry. You might want to here. I'll look at the web developers toolbar and just get. I'm going to say view image information. So these are the sizes of the images. They're really small. So you might want to just look online for images that are probably about twice as big, because you don't want to have something that looks pixelated. It really does look unprofessional. So that would be something that you should definitely change by the final, just because that's really important. You might want to load the image in the middle. I can tell you how to do that, or you can look at some of the code of the past student sites that I've added. So great that you have a home button. Now, this is something I brought up in the past. Do you see how unreadable this is? You just can't read it. It's hard to read dark text on a dark background or a busy background. I think your background looks great. I love all the animals, but the text just doesn't stand out. So I would add a stroke, or just add another container that's solid or semi-transparent. And this kind of works, but it's still really hard to read. I wouldn't use the offset. I would use the stroke. So I would suggest really trying that. This is not legible at all either. So those are some things that definitely need to be fixed by the final. You don't want to miss a bunch of points on that. And I like how your image is responding nicely in the background. So let's see. So then we have the graph. So that is right here. Again, really can't see this, but again, if you change it once, it changes on all pages. Cannot see the black text either on the dark green. It's just, again, you can, if you do white, like white text, it'll be a lot easier to read. So I would suggest doing white text, and then making the numbers white, and then making it a little bit bigger. I posted in the threads how to do that. It's really, really easy. So that would be my main suggestion too for that. So okay, so anyway, you don't have too much work to do. You've everything else, is pretty much working. Just need to really clean up and fix some of the legibility issues. Where's that home button? So that's the thing, is if I can't find it, the home button, there it is up here. See, even that text is lighter and stands out more. Okay. So yeah, overall it looks really good. Just need to clean up some of the design issues. And I think some of the other ones that I mentioned about modifying the code a little bit more, you might want to do that too. And you could even make these pictures bigger if you wanted to, and just have them scale like they're scaling now. Okay, so but definitely for the image viewer. Okay, so yeah, overall really nice job, Jaleesa. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'm available for feedback on Google Hangouts, and I'll probably do a meeting on like Thursday or something. Okay.